Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Mexican style street corn or elotes. I'm going to be making this on the Instant Pot. These are the ingredients. If you do not have an Instant Pot, I'm going to be showing you in the description below how to do it stovetop, okay? Then we start off by adding the 1 cup of water to our Instant Pot. Also, we add our corn on the cob. We start arranging them. I fitted about 5 of them. And we close our Instant Pot. We make sure it's to sealing, not venting, sealing. And we pressure cook for 5 minutes. If they are the white corn, you're going to pressure cook for 18 minutes, okay? And we release on its own for 5 minutes. After that, just turn your Instant Pot off, open the vent, and once the valve is down, it is ready to open up. Okay, and they're all ready. And we can garnish now with our favorite toppings. I'm going to show you which are my favorite toppings. Now my kids just love them like that, just with a little salt. But I like them with salt, and then I like to add butter. Guys, this is so delicious. And then I like to add mayo, and I like to add Queso Cotija or Parmesan cheese. And my favorite hot sauce, which is Cholula, but you can use whatever hot sauce you like, or no hot sauce if you don't like it. We also add a little bit of lime, and voila guys! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and comment. Enjoy guys, bye!